I'd like to tell you we napped like this forever, but about 2 minutes later, I got a tennis ball dropped on my forehead. We braved the storm to play some fetch. I'm pretty sure I'm convinced that I'm going to drown in raindrops and freeze in what's probably only like 45 or 50 degrees. And now I have wet dog in the van! We'll do that about 70 more times today. And when you live in a van, you do weird things like actually drying off your raincoat. Rainy days in a van look really pretty, sound really pretty while you're napping, but lots of drying. Drying of dog, drying of floor, drying of raincoat. Kind of disaster. Wouldn't change a thing.